What's up guys, AK with DCCTRAIN. In this video I'm going to solder wires with 8-pin plug right here to that Zimo MX645 sound decoder. Original, it was on wires, but some of them broke right on the decoder. Now I have also new setup camera and new pointer, so some of the wires disconnections broke from this side, and some of them from this is I believe this is bottom and front. So we're going to look at the diagram, so not messing around. Here we go. It's upside down so I can proper see it. So this is the bottom. That's what I see from my side view, the camera on opposite side. All right, and this is, I believe, the top. Yeah, top side. It's only 4 wires here and much more here. All right, let's get started. So I'm using Kester 186, we're selling them flux, military grade. You don't need a, I'm usually cleaning it, but don't need to do it. And you need it like 100%, because what flux inside of that solder, this is just the clean stuff. It's no way you can do that job. Means possible, but I don't think so. Anyway, so let's get me diagram exactly. All right, so I'm starting with from here, from this side, because my soldering gun will be around here. So like that. Then flip it and finish the other way. This is 8-pin plug, I believe from ESU decoder. The wire's a little bit thinner, but on the era of DCC, we're talking about late 90s, when Digitrax use GST decoders and Lens use GST decoders, so the color coding is different between like Zimo and ESU. Actually Zimo and, yeah, especially for speaker wires. Yeah, right now it's mostly plug and play, but means I'm doing not plug and play installations 99%, so I need to be very careful. So my first wire is orange, which is going to the motor. The difference is function will get it at almost at the end. Yes, so the function output 1 is green, blue is common, it's common for everybody, and the green for everybody. But Zimo decided to do violet color for function output 2, and ESU using brown color for speakers, so can be a little bit complicated. Anyway, so let's get orange, and I'm not using like tweezers to hold it, because if I'm using tweezers right here, the heat will be really high. My soldering gun at 530 Fahrenheit, so I'm just pointing it like this and solder. Here we go. Always cleaning, and I'm grabbing a little bit of solder with my soldering gun. There's no way like in the movies guys soldering stuff. No, no. If you're doing some cheap electronics, maybe, yeah, you can do it, but no way. I guarantee you the contacts will be messed up right away, like contacts in like together. Or maybe some guys doing it, but again, I'm not doing this. I'm doing 100%. So I'm grabbing a little bit solder like this, my soldering gun. Okay, putting that wire. I need to hold it a little bit longer because that element has a leg, and it will take a lot of heat. So like that. Perfect. It's shiny, which is temperature indicator of the temperature is fine. It's not getting kind of grainy, you know, like flat surface. That's exactly what I need. All right, so next will be gray. That's another motor output. Just using tweezers to get that wire from me, for me, out of that. All right. Can be a little bit longer, but I don't. It's original was very. Somebody resoldered them anyway, so they were short. And I don't think so. It's a lot of space in that locomotive, I guess. So same thing here. Grabbing a little bit solder. Ready. Done. Great. Next is red, which is pickup. Red is this. I just want to make sure we're good. Further you're going will be maybe a little bit complicated. Those finger coats very helpful for protecting me from the heat, my fingers. Okay, done. Of course, I will check, make sure everything's cool and working. So next is another pickup is black, which is doesn't matter because if you rotate the engine, it will be just flip. But if you put that plug wrong in your locomotive, old days again, you're not gonna get lights and the engine start running backwards, but your digital system will show it's running forward. That's it, pretty much. Okay, put a little bit more flux in here. Okay, let's touch up with the solder. Maybe too much. There we go. And I have just regular paper towel to clean that tip. Okay. Yep. Okay, so next is yellow, green, and brown. So how many? Yellow, green, and brown. 4. Just make sure we're good. I believe brown never connected. Looks like yes. Okay. My thinking, because it was 6-pin plug, decoder, original. Okay, that makes sense. I got it with 6-pin plug. All right, so here's my pointer. Yellow, green, and brown. So yellow, green, and brown. Yellow will be rear light. The white one is going on the opposite side of that decoder. Okay, so we need yellow. Let me just take it from here. Make it nice. Okay. Yellow. Okay. And green. Green is function 1 output. You have 2 functions here already. Means we didn't do white, the headlight, but doing in a couple of minutes. So should be good. So yellow. Some wires okay, and now I have green, which is function first function output. We'll just squeeze it like under here. That should do it. And bend it. It will help more. Done. All right. Okay, now I'm on the top side, and this is my diagram here. So first will be, actually those will be first. It's not like 1, 2, 3, 4, just for me 1, 2, 3, 4 for the speaker wire, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 from this side, and fifth 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, for the common, the blue, and white for the headlight. Let's do it. Side camera. All right, perfect. Okay, so taking these guys a little bit away and using, I can use tweezers right now, but I'm still just used to that, my fingers. So here we go. A bit more. I can see they were some wires that was there. Okay, so 2 empty, 1 violet. A little bit clean that thing, yes. So in ESU version, those speaker wires will be brown. We're getting there. Blue. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This guy here. And the white. Make it nice. White wire is done, and here I go. Visual inspection. Then I'm going to clean it, hook up speaker, and test it. Thanks for watching Supporting Business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership. Have a good one. Bye bye.